Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for pushing me over the 2,500 subscriber benchmark. It's happened really fast. This is a new channel. I've only had this channel for like 45 days and I'm already past 2,500 subscribers. The channel is really blowing up and I just have you to thank for that. I could sit here all day long and make videos till I'm blue in the face. They mean nothing unless you come here and watch them, unless you subscribe to my channel, unless you enjoy what I'm doing. So I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. This morning when I laid down to take a nap, I noticed that I would be crossing over the 2,500 subscribers today, so I went ahead and made a thumbnail for this video. Then when I woke up, I was at 2645. Blew me away. And thank you. What more can I say but thank you? Y'all, in the future, in the very near future, my video quality will improve because I will be moving into a new office space with better lighting. So y'all stick around for that. I'm excited about it. I did get an email also from YouTube stating that I am now eligible to monetize my channel. I will be doing that, but it takes a little while to do it. The way I understand it, it could take up to a month to get monetized. So I will be working on that, but I'm not in no big hurry to do it. So y'all please stick around and give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Always comment on my videos. That really helps. And just know I love you all and thank you all from the bottom of my heart. I can't do this without you. I'm just the person behind the camera. It takes you, the viewer, to watch the videos and subscribe. So thank you, and I love you all. Ciao.